here we have with us Mr. Tanay Desai, who is the Business Development Manager of Charu Jewels. How about Roots edition, the 5th edition this time? What's your experience with Roots?
My first experience as a B2B exhibition, and I feel that India has so huge potential of to understand the craft of jewelry. So definitely the market is currently, I will say, at a stagnant point, but we can see a booming market in the new segment, that is lab grown jewelry, and helped us explore the untapped potential market of to cater the masses in India, as India is a market of completely volume game. So yes, lab grown, I think so, will do wonders in the next 3 years.
You are the next gen
Right.
of Charu Jewels, son of Nikhil Desai ji. What's your experience in the gem and jewelry sector? How do you feel?
So I am extremely grateful to my family that for giving me such a great opportunity to explore the market of India, and I have went very deep into the product line, understanding the customer preference. So I have had an experience of 5 years in retail. So when I entered into B2B, I can understand the perspective of end customer, what they are looking for. So it actually helps in creating right product, right price, and right quality. So I have done my graduation in diamond and gemstones. I went to Sri Lanka uh, to study deep about gemstones, as Sri Lanka is hub, and I think so every entrepreneur who is entering into jewelry industry should explore Sri Lanka once to understand the beauty of color stone. It is also a booming market in India. People have now started understanding gemstone very deeply. Earlier they used to feel that emerald is a commercial product. Now after Ambani is wearing it in their every occasion, it has become the next trend.
Okay, so you have been into the B2C segment all this
B2C,
while.
all this
So what's your experience in B2B now? What do you say?
had taken the tour of India. I went to almost major tier 1 cities, had conversation with a lot of startup founders, had conversation with industry experts to understand the depth of market. So where I come from is that if you don't have the right knowledge of the product, you cannot convince the client. And where I come from is you should have every answer to all the questions that your customer is asking, be it B2B or B2C.
What are your plans for expansion domestically and internationally? You also have a retail outlet in
Yeah.
US. You were
In
telling
US,
me.
we have recently opened up a
Yeah,
store.
tell me something about that and about your domestic expansion as well. You can speak.
Yeah, I love India as a country. Demographics of India is a very interesting subject to understand about. My plan with B2B is to at least reach 1000 retail stores, and I hope that everybody who is listening to me right now can contact me through Rachna ji. Our target is to reach 1000 stores in the next 1 year, and I want my product to be placed at least 1000 stores in the next 365 days. And let's talk about international. I will say we have good opportunity, and government is trying to promote exports from India, and I want to be at least top 10 exporters of India. I will say I have not studied international market yet deeply, but it is in planning, and we'll plan it with GJEPC soon to understand the depth of the international market and explore the opportunities that we have in India, as we are promoting our exports to reach 100 billion by 2030.
Thank you, Tanay ji. It was glad talking and interviewing
Same
you.
here, Rachna ji.
And